The reason is actually very simple. And if you've been wondering why, then let me explain. Okay, very simple. The body side of Jeep Wranglers do not have a weather stripping gasket going around the entire perimeter. They are bare metal. You're welcome. There it is. That's everything. That's the entire explanation. I've got nothing else for you. That is the reason why they leak. Okay? Now, if you look at the door side seal, let me just kind of expand on that a little bit because I know that was a very short answer to a problem that seems so unsolvable. All right, so the door side has a rubber weather stripping that goes around the entire perimeter of it. Every vehicle on the road except for Jeep Wranglers also have this continuous piece of rubber around the body, so that this way when the door slams against it, then you do not have a reason to be watching this video right now because it would be dry in there. Now that is the reason. Let me tell you what has worked out and is proven to be successful for a number of years now, and there's actually a lot of customer testimonials that talk about this. Now, I'll leave a link to the description. I'll leave a link in the description of this video that points to where you can find a vehicle-specific body side seal made for Jeep Wranglers. And you'll also find customer reviews that say this solved their issue, as it should. It makes good logical sense, right? So this body side seal that we've produced here in the United States, by the way, is vehicle specific to solve this very issue, the leaking on Jeep Wranglers, all right? The lack of there not being a body side seal. Now, technically what you will do is what they should have done on the production line from day one, added a body side seal as this thing rolled down the line. So essentially you will become a line employee for Jeep Chrysler because this will be coming down your line in your driveway and you will now be doing what they should have done and put a body side seal around this. And that'll solve your issue instantly, immediately, guaranteed, no questions asked. It just makes good logical sense. Now, if you have another vehicle in your driveway, I just want you to just verify this and let this really sink in, this body side seal concept, and that's why your vehicle, your other vehicle is bone dry and this one isn't, because there's rubber here and there's rubber here, door slam, that's the end of that. So this body side seal kit that I'm talking about will seal your entire Jeep like a submarine, including your freedom panels. If you have leaking coming from your freedom panels, the issue is it's kind of the inverse of this. Here you've got a door side seal, but no body side seal. At the panels, they have a rubber on the body, but you don't have a continuous piece of rubber that goes around the panels. So that would be a reason why your panels will be leaking. Or if you hear a tremendous amount of noise coming from the top, that is another reason why. Because there's just a gap in between the rubber on the body and then the panels, and air just is getting through that, and so is water. So there you guys have it. Now you know why your vehicle leaks and how to fix it. This should make good logical sense. If this is something that you're interested in, just check the link in the description. It'll take you over to the Jeep Leak Fix website that goes on to explain this a little bit more in detail. I think the most important thing is that you will read customer reviews from around the world that will attest to this being a logical solution that actually works.